If you're seeing the error missing Alchemy trial data in Leonardo AI, don't worry, in this video I'll explain exactly what it means and how to fix it step by step. This error usually appears because Alchemy is a premium high-fidelity rendering pipeline, and it's mainly reserved for paid subscribers. In many cases, the message shows up when your 7-day free trial for the Alchemy generation pipeline has expired. In other cases, a browser issue can cause the temporary trial token to get wiped from your session, even if your trial time is not fully up yet. So if you're trying to use Leonardo AI and this error is blocking you, stay with me because I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to troubleshoot it. And if this kind of tutorial helps you save time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and AI walkthroughs. First, understand what this error is telling you. Leonardo AI uses Alchemy as a special rendering mode for higher quality generations. If your account is on the free trial, that feature may only be available for a limited period. Once that trial ends, the platform can display a missing Alchemy trial data message because it no longer has valid trial access attached to your account. So before you assume something is broken, check whether your trial period has already ended. If your trial should still be active and you're still getting the error, the next step is to refresh your session properly. Start by clicking your profile icon inside Leonardo AI. From the menu, select Log Out. This is important because it clears the current account session and forces the platform to rebuild your login state the next time you sign in. After logging out, the next thing to do is clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old cached files or corrupted cookies can sometimes interfere with the trial token that Leonardo AI stores temporarily in your browser. If that token becomes stale or broken, the platform may think your trial data is missing even when it should still be available. To clear your browser data, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and remove cached images, files, and cookies for Leonardo AI. You do not need to clear everything on your computer, just the browser data related to the site if possible. Once that is done, close the browser completely and reopen it. Now go back and log in again through the official Leonardo AI login page. Make sure you are using the correct and official sign-in page, then enter your account details and sign back in. This fresh login often restores the session correctly and resolves the missing Alchemy trial data error. If the issue still appears after that, it's a strong sign that your trial has actually ended and the Alchemy feature may no longer be available on the free plan. In that case, you may need to upgrade to a paid subscription if you want to keep using that premium generation pipeline. So to recap, this error usually happens for one of two reasons. Either your 7-day Alchemy trial expired or your browser session lost the temporary trial data. The fix is to log out, clear cache and cookies, and log back in through the official Leonardo AI login page. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick AI troubleshooting guides, software fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.